Okay guys, so I installed the hand show powered Frunk, and I've been asked by many people now, how do you actually operate it? Well, you can see I actually have the Tesla app here, and just like you would normally open the Frunk, you're just going to open it and it's going to power open. Now once it's open, you can then go back into the app and click the open button again and say open, and it'll actually close instead the second route, right? So you use it exactly like you did before. The other nice thing is, if let's say I'm gonna go ahead and open it back up again. In the newer versions here, this button right here is actually an open button, or technically a close button. So you can just push that button in there and it'll also close. And then of course we have our last option. Data sharing, cool. Over here when we're in park, we can hit open Frunk, and we can control it that way. And then once you're open, you can just hit open Frunk again and it'll close it. It operates exactly like this. Is just powered either direction, both ways. And just like anything, when you're in drive, it won't work. Okay, I'm in drive, have my app open it, nada, because it won't function unless you are in park. I'm in park, I hit open, voila! Sorry. And of course I can close it from in here. That's the beautiful thing about the powered Frunk. It's fully usable, and it's not, there's no risk of it opening down the road. So thought you guys might like that.